Hello everyone, I'm Paul and today we're solving problem 1545. Find kth bit in nth binary string. This is a medium problem and next I will show you a reasonably intuitive solution. We are given two positive integers, n and k, so let's say that we're given this. We start from a string which includes only the number 0, and we need to apply this operation a number of times to transform this string. Every time we take the current string, right now it's only a 0, we need to add 1, and we need to add this. Here we need to invert the current string, meaning we need to flip numbers. If we have zeros, we need to use ones, and if we have ones, we need to use zeros. In this case, we only have a 0. If we flip this, we get 1. And we need to add the reverse representation of this number. Here we only have one digit, so we just add 1. So after one operation, we get a string with 0, 1, 1. So the first string that we get has only 0. The second string has 0, 1, 1. If we repeat the same process, we get a new string with 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. We need to return the kth bit in the string sub n. In this example, n is free, so we stop here and we need to return bit number 1, meaning we return this bit, which is a 0. My first intuition was to look at the constraints, and n can be anything in between 1 and 20. This means that we can pre-compute every possible string. So we actually don't care about the value of n, and we can pre-compute every possible string and return the kth bit. This is basically the entire approach. Time complexity for this will be big O of 2 to the power of n, because with each operation the string grows roughly 2 to the power of the current operation. Here you can see how we go from 0 to 3, then we go from 3 to 7, so this is roughly 2 to the power of n time and space complexity. So with this in mind, now let's see how to code this up. First, we can pre-compute the largest possible string. So we can say that this is initially a string with 0, and now we say for I in range from 0 to 19. This counts as 1, so we go from 0 to 19, and we have an inverted string every time, which is initially empty. And now we can say for every character in S inverted plus equal 1 if the current character is 0, else if it's 1 we add 0. Now we have the inverted string, so we can add to the current string a 1 plus inverted, and we need to reverse this. So we can do this in Python, and that's it. Now we can go here and just return string at k-1. So this is the entire code. Now let's submit this. As you can see, this works and it's efficient enough, but don't trust this. There are solutions that are way more efficient. You can solve this in big O of n and even in big O of 1, but I'm not gonna go over with that right now. I think that this is intuitive enough. So if you found this useful, please drop a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.